In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate www.myfitnesspal.com. Whether you're just getting started or need a little refresher, I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring you get the most out of this powerful tool for tracking your fitness journey. Let's begin by heading over to the MyFitnessPal website. Simply type www.myfitnesspal.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by the home page's prominent features designed to support your health and fitness journey. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure you do so by entering your login credentials. This will unlock the full functionality, allowing you to personalize the experience. Now that you're logged in, look towards the top menu and you'll see several options. Click on the Food tab. This section is pivotal for tracking your dietary intake. Here, you have the ability to log every meal and snack you consume throughout the day. You can search for food items in the vast database, or, for even more precise tracking, scan barcodes using the MyFitnessPal app on your smartphone. Over time, this will help you gain important insights into your eating habits, which is crucial for reaching your nutritional goals. Next, let's turn our attention to the exercise section. Click on the Exercise tab, conveniently located next to the Food tab. This section allows you to document your daily workouts, from cardio sessions to strength training. Whether you go for a run, attend a yoga class, or lift weights, logging your exercise helps balance your calorie intake with calorie expenditure. Keeping a close eye on this balance is key to progressing toward your fitness objectives. Moving on, let's explore the Reports tab. Click on the Reports tab, and here you'll find a wealth of graphs and data, providing visual representations of your progress over time. These reports can help you identify trends, keep track of changes, and adjust your plans accordingly for better outcomes. Lastly, click on the Apps tab. This area is great for enhancing your MyFitnessPal experience by integrating it with other apps and devices you might be using. Whether it's a fitness tracker, a running app, or a smart scale, connecting these tools can make your tracking even more comprehensive and seamless. To wrap up, using MyFitnessPal on a PC gives you a robust interface to set your fitness goals, maintain a detailed food and exercise diary, and stay connected with a supportive community. By logging in at www.myfitnesspal.com, you can effortlessly track your progress, ensuring a well-rounded approach to reaching your fitness and weight goals. Remember, consistency is crucial, so make checking in with MyFitnessPal part of your daily routine. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has set you on a path toward achieving your health and wellness objectives.